Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best evaporative coolers in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Hessaire MC37M Evaporative Cooler. This Hessaire MC37M Evaporative Cooler is the perfect way to keep your home comfortable and cool during hot summer days. This 3100 Cfm model is designed to cool medium to large areas up to 1,600 square feet, making it a great choice for both residential and commercial settings. The gray finish gives it a modern, sleek look that enhances the decor of any space. This cooler features adjustable louvers, a powerful motor, and an adjustable humidification control to ensure a comfortable climate in any area. The side access panel makes maintenance and cleaning easy, and the included remote control allows you to adjust the fan speed and other settings from across the room with ease. Enjoy a cool and comfortable summer with this powerful Hessaire cooler. Pros: highly efficient evaporative cooling system. Powerful 3100 Cfm cooling capacity. Compact and lightweight design. Built-in humidifier. Easy to install and operate. Remote control included. Cons: expensive compared to other models. Not suitable for large spaces. Number 2. Our second best pick is Hessaire MC37M Portable Evaporative Cooler. The Hessaire MC37M Portable Evaporative Cooler is an ideal cooling solution for any space up to 500 square feet. This powerful unit provides 1300 Cfm of cooling power and is perfect for garages, workshops, and even outdoor patios. The included remote control provides you with easy access to the 3 speed settings and the oscillating louvers that provide even cooling throughout the entire space. The unit is easy to install and comes in a stylish color to match any decor. The low power consumption and easy maintenance make this evaporative cooler an essential addition to any home. Pros: portable design makes it easy to move from room to room. Cools up to 500 square feet. 1300 Cfm airflow to provide efficient cooling. Automatic shutoff when desired temperature is reached. Low power consumption. Cons: may be too large for some rooms. Color may vary from image. Number 3. Our third best pick is Vagkri Evaporative Cooler. The Vagkri Evaporative Cooler is the perfect cooling solution for those hot summer days. This 2100 Cfm unit is designed to keep your home or office cool, with 120 degrees oscillation and up to 7.9 gallons of capacity. It's equipped with a remote control, 24-hour timer, and 3 wind speeds to customize your comfort. This swamp cooler is perfect for indoor or outdoor use, and with its ergonomic design and whisper-quiet operation, you can enjoy cool air without any noise. Plus, it's easy to move and requires minimal maintenance for added convenience. If you're looking for an efficient and reliable cooling solution, the Vagkri Evaporative Cooler is the perfect choice. Pros: powerful 2100 Cfm airflow. 120 degrees oscillation for wider area coverage. Remote control, 24H timer and 3 wind speeds for convenience. Ideal for both outdoor and indoor use. 7.9-gallon water tank capacity for longer cooling performance. Cons: can be noisy depending on the environment and placement. Can be expensive depending on the model. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Honeywell CO60PM Indoor Outdoor Evaporative Air Cooler. This Honeywell CO60PM Evaporative Air Cooler is the perfect addition to any indoor or outdoor space that needs to stay cool. With 2471 Cfm Airflow and a tank capacity of 10.6 gallons, this powerful, energy-efficient cooler offers superior cooling performance, even in hot and humid climates. And with its easy-to-use mechanical controls, you can conveniently adjust the fan speed, water level, and timer with the simple turn of a knob. Plus, its durable construction with corrosion-resistant plastic and a UV-resistant finish make it built to last. Enjoy cool, comfortable air all summer long with the Honeywell CO60PM Evaporative Air Cooler. Pros: 2471 Cfm of air cooling power. Indoor-outdoor capability. Mechanical control for ease of use. Highly energy efficient. Effective in hot and dry climates. Cons: not suitable for humid climates. Requires frequent refilling of water tanks. Louder than other air cooling systems. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Drio Evaporative Air Cooler. Introducing the Drio Evaporative Air Cooler, the perfect solution to keeping your home or office cool and comfortable all summer long. This innovative air cooler is equipped with a 40-inch cooling fan and an 80 degrees oscillating feature that evenly distributes cool air throughout your space. The air cooler also features a removable water tank for convenient refills, a filter for clean air, and ice packs for extra cooling power. The 3-speed settings and 7H timer make it easy to adjust the airflow and set a cooling schedule. With its remote control, you can easily control the air cooler from the comfort of your seat. Finally, you can enjoy a personal swamp cooler in your room, home, or office. Get the Drio Evaporative Air Cooler today and beat the heat. Pros: 40-inch cooling fan with 80 degrees oscillating range. Humidifying and removable water tank. Filter, ice packs, remote control and 3 speeds. 7-hour timer. Can be used in a home or office. Cons: not energy efficient. Can be noisy. May require frequent refilling of the water tank. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.